I don't know if it's only me that this happens to. Even right now that I'm married with kids, I still settle disputes in my father's house. My parents call me, my siblings call me to report each other. Even my parents call me to report my siblings. Ha! Ada. I thought that maybe right now that I'm married, that things will change, but nothing changed though. Nothing changed. It's still the same me. For most of us that don't know the meaning of Ada, Ada is the first daughter of a family in Igbo land, and her role goes far beyond just pet order. Even after marriage, and Ada still plays important roles in her father's family and community. Ada is seen as a bridge between generations, especially between her parents and younger siblings. No wonder every minute my phone is ringing. My parents are calling me, my siblings are calling me, either to report my parents or my parents to report my siblings. Oh God. She is expected to settle disputes between siblings or between her parents and other family members. That's a really important role. Even when married, her voice carries weight in any family misunderstanding. A couple of weeks back, my two younger siblings, they were having misunderstanding. I don't really know what the matter was, you understand? But both of them were having heated arguments. That is my second sister and my third sister. The third sister don't really, I don't know, you know these Gen Z kids now. They behave like Gen Z, you understand? So they were having serious misunderstanding, and my mom called me to inform me. And funny thing, both of them were actually living in campus. They were living off camp. They were living in the same room. You understand? They were roommates, but they weren't talking to each other. I don't understand. How can you stay under the same roof and you won't talk to your sister, your blood for that matter, because of one misunderstanding? To find what the matter was. Actually, the matter for there was nothing serious, but if you see how these two people were, in fact they were practically the smaller one was practically ganging up against her elder sister. Hey God. Anyway, thank God for prompt intervention of the other. That's me. Yeah, I intervened, and to the glory of God, they're not worrying again. Before I intervened and settled the matter between them, these people practically turned me to their errand girl. If there is anything like errand girl, they told me to the, like, for example, the second sister will call me and say, "Sister, please help me. I ask your sister." It's not her sister again. No, it's help me. I ask your sister where she kept my rod or shoe or any other thing that they use together. But she doesn't know how to ask the other sister because they're keeping marriage. You understand? So you have to call me that's staying far away, to tell me about it so that I can assist her in asking her other sister. You understand? So that has so many roles in our community. There's an Igbo proverb that said, "Ada Buchineya." That is, Ada is her mother's spirit guard. Some people believe that Ada is a spiritual continuation of an important female ancestor. She is believed to be reincarnated. Some believed Ada is the reincarnation of a female ancestor, often a grandmother or a great grandmother. and she normally carries their blessings, wisdom, and protection into the family. No wonder some mothers are very smart, intelligent, and wise. When Ada prays or blesses her younger ones, it is taken as a sacred act. Her words are believed to carry spiritual weight, especially when she is pure in heart and loyal to her roots. In traditional gatherings, elders may ask the Ada to speak or pour libation, showing that her voice is spiritual. Ada is seen as a spiritual guardian of her family. She is expected to stand in the gap spiritually, interceding, advising, and calling on higher forces to protect her siblings. No wonder most families facing problems, the Ada is sometimes called upon to fast, pray, or offer traditional rites to restore balance. In some parts of Igbo land, especially during traditional ceremonies like Ikwapu Aja, that is cleansing ritual, it is the Ada that carries out specific rites. She may be given symbolic items like white cloth, kola nut, or chalk, showing her spiritual purity and connection to the gods. So next time when you see an Ada, please hug her tight. She did try.